Hi guys, what's up? My name is Ali, but you can call me. So welcome back to my YouTube channel, Coding with It. So today we are going to deploy Reactjs app to Firebase cloud hosting. So don't waste more time. Let's just jump into the code. Let me share my screen first. Yeah. So I already created a simple Reactjs app, color generator app. Let's run the app. Then pip start. It will run the app on localhost port 3000. So this is a simple color generator app. User can select pick any color from through input and click on generate variation. It will generate different color variation for users. User can also copy the color code and use in the inside their app or inside their project. That's it. That's simple. It's very simple. User can also change the theme of the app. There are different themes of the app. And that's it. So let's start deploying it to the Firebase. So the first step is to create a project in Firebase. Uh, let's name it color generator. Yeah, that's it. Done. Continue. Let's disable Google Analytics for now. It will take few seconds or minutes to create a project. That's after yeah. So let's wait for project creation. Yeah, boom, it's finishing up. It's creating. Yeah, so our project is ready now. So click on continue, go into the app. So go into the build section and click on hosting and get started. So the thing is that to host your site with Firebase hosting, you need the Firebase CLI tool, Firebase tool in your machine. So to install Firebase tool in your machine, just copy the command and paste in your terminal. So it will install Firebase tool in your machine. So I already installed Firebase tool in my machine in my MacBook. So I don't need this tab. So skip this tab for now and go on to the next tab. Click on next. So after that, you have to log in with Firebase. So go to terminal, click on it, copy pasting command Firebase login. So it will so press Y. So it will get access to the Firebase. So click continue. Select uh, the account on which you are going to deploy your Reactjs app. That's it. I selected the account. So Firebase login successfully done. You see, so I are successfully logged in with Firebase on Visual Studio Code, and let's go further. So Firebase in it. Let's call Firebase in it to initialize Firebase in our project. Yeah, so we are doing that. We are going to hosting. We are using hosting. So let's click on it. Uh, s- let's select this option: hosting. Configure file for Firebase hosting, and optionally set up GitHub action deploys. Yeah, let's select this field. Press enter. Then after that, create use an existing project. I already created a project, so we have to select this one, this option, use an existing project. Click enter. Yeah, so I am selecting color generator app. Press enter. Public use build directory for public usage, and press Y. Yeah, so we are so React.js app are a single based app, single page apps. So we have to select yes here. Set up automatic builds and deploy with GitHub. No, we are not deploying with GitHub at the moment. We are just deploying manually. So press no here. Enter no, N for no. Hit enter. Go to next step. So initialize the Firebase initialization is done now in our project. So now click on next step. So let's copy the command Firebase deploy, and it will deploy our React.js app to Firebase cloud hosting. Before deploying our app, we have to first build our app. So for building our app, run build yarn build. So it will build our app and create a build directory inside our project. Yeah, you see, it will create a build directory. So build directory is created now. So now run Firebase deploy command to deploy our app to Firebase hosting. It will take few seconds or minutes. Depends on internet speed. That's it. Done, man. It's very fast. It's very fast, very quick. It's very quick to deploy app. So let's click on it. Go into this. You see our app is deployed now. Our Reactjs app is now live on Firebase hosting. So anyone can access anyone in the globe can access this app using this URL. That's it. That's simple. For now. So that's it, man. That's it. So we successfully deployed Reactjs app to Firebase hosting. That's it. That's for now. So let's see you in the next video for more useful content. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel and share the video with your other fellows. So it will give me more motivation to bring this type of content for you, to make this type of content for you guys. So stay humble, keep coding, keep learning, and so watch my videos, man, and subscribe to this channel. Bye, bye, ta, take care.